Gala Games continues to see higher prices after bouncing on a significant key area of support above the 0.01846, and at the time of this recording we have now managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into support. And in the next coming hours, I'm watching for a break above the significant high we made above the 0.02538 and a break above our key area of resistance above the 0.026. And on today's video, I will also be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you the short-term price prediction analysis, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we started a very nice bounce to the upside, and we first picked in this Deriv count 1. And after we picked in that Deriv count 1, we saw a bit of a short-term pullback in this Deriv count 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment, I believe is the start of an impulsive Deriv count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Deriv count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.03052. And for that move to play out, we first need to see Gala Games give us a break above significant highs above the 0.02535 and a break above resistance at the 0.026. And the moment we manage to break above those significant areas, turning them back into support, then there's a very high chance that we are going to see an impulsive movement getting us back above the $0.03. Then we can expect a pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Deriv count 5. And the moment we complete that 5-wave structure to the upside, then that will be confirming to us that we got our lows on the 5th of August, and whatever will be playing out is a more bullish case scenario here on the Gala Games chart. Jumping to the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.08702, completing the formation of this larger Deriv count 1. And after we picked in that Deriv count 1, we started a pullback in a larger Deriv count 2, whose minimum target areas I highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there to the high of this Deriv count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.04995 and the 0.02854, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that at some point we continued to see further breakdown moves, losing the fib level 0.78, and at some point we even lost the fib level 0.88, and that put Gala Games into risk of giving us a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows. But you can see that at the time of this recording we are yet to see such a movement over here, and we have also started a very nice bounce to the upside from the lows that we made on the 5th of August in a move that is now giving us a bounce back above the fib level 0.88. And as long as we continue holding above this key area of support, then there's a chance that we can start that aggressive bounce to the upside in a larger Deriv count 3, which is what we expect after seeing a bit of a breakdown move in this Deriv count 2. So that is all I'm expecting on the long term, and we also need to have in mind that in case in the next coming days we get aggressive breakdown moves, losing the fib level 0.88 once again, there's a chance of getting a reset of the bear market lows, and that will suggest that whatever we saw over here after making the bear market lows last year is just a 3-wave structure to the upside in an ABC corrective structure, and this right here could be an impulsive movement to the lower side to give us new bear market lows. before maybe we can get another reversal to the upper side. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.